Hello dear students, today in this video we are heading towards part number 4 of adverbs and degrees of comparison. In our previous videos we have discussed about adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency and adverb of degree. And today we are going to discuss relative adverbs in this video. So let's know what is relative adverb. Relative is what? Relative is a word which tells us the relation between two things, right? So that is relative. So this relative adverb is also this kind of adverb. Before starting the topic, I have written here two sentences. This village has only one school, and the second one is Ram studied there. First one is this village has only one school, and the second one is Ram studied there. If I'll say you to join these two sentences together, so what would be the answer of this? That is what? This village has only one school where Ram studied. Clear? So this is what? This village has only one school where Ram studied. This is the sentence, and I have taken this sentence from joining these sentences. First one was this village has only one school, Ram studied there. Clear? And if I'll ask you that because we are doing relative adverbs today, so relative adverb is something that these are the words which are used to join two sentences together. It only not only modifies the verb, but these adverbs are used to join two sentences together also. So here we can notice that this village has only one school where Ram studied. So this where word is what? This is working as an relative adverb in the sentence. Clear? So this concept we are going to understand today, that what is relative adverb. I hope you understood this. Two sentences I have joined with word where. Here I want to tell you Ram studied there. So studied is what here? In this sentence studied is what? Verb. And there is what? There is place. Right? But in this sentence that there has been replaced with what? Where. Clear? So this is what relative adverb is. Now let's understand this in detail. Relative adverbs. The relative adverbs are not only the adverbs which modify the verbs, adjective or other adverbs, but also join the sentences. Okay, so that is known as relative adverb. Listen once again. The relative adverbs not only modify the verbs, adjectives or other adverbs, but also join the sentences together. Let's understand this with the examples, and here we will find out that which are the adverbs used here. First sentence given to you is I do not remember where I placed the book. Right? So the first sentence is I do not remember, and the second one is I placed the book. Right? So these both sentences I have joined with the word where, and this is modifying to the place. This is telling about the place. Clear? So this word where is working as an what? This is working as a relative adverb here. You will not tell this is adverb of place. This is relative adverb here because this is joining two sentences together. Clear? So I do not remember where I placed the book. Second sentence, I know the time when he will come here. I know the time when he will come here. So I know the time is one sentence, he will come here, this second sentence, right? And next is these two sentences are joined with the word when. W-H-E-N, when. So this is working as when is telling us what? Time. Here it was, here this word where was telling us place. But this is telling us time, but we will not say this is adverb of adverb of time. This is what? This is adverb of relation. This is relative adverb. Clear? Next is, do you know the reason why he comes here? Do you know the reason why? Why is WH family word. He comes here, right? So this is the reason. Adverb of reason is also there, but this is not in your syllabus right now, so we haven't discussed that. So adverb of reason is also there, that why this happened, right? So this is not adverb of reason here, this is relative adverb here, because this is joining two sentences. So dear students, you must have noticed here that all the words which are joining these two sentences together, these all are used with these all are WH family words. What, when, where, how. Okay, so these words, what, when, how, when, where, these all words are which are used to join two sentences together, are known as relative adverbs. So let's see one more sentence. She does not know how she solved the sum. She does not know how she solved the sum. Now this word how is what? Telling us how, manner, right? So this is not adverb of manner, but this is joining two sentences. She does not know how she solved the sum. So this is working as an adverb of relation, means relative adverb. Clear? So what, when, where, why, how, all these are adverb of relation, means relative adverbs. Now let's understand some of the more adverbs which can be used as relative adverbs. It may be when, it may be where, it may be why, it may be what, it may be how, it may be whatever, and whenever, etc. Now let me clear to you with the more examples. First is, this is the school where Ram studied. Clear? This is one of the sentence. See, this is quite important. I will tell you one new thing here. This is the school where Ram studied. So if I'll say you to find out the adverb here, so what is this? This is the school where Ram studied, right? If you will separate the sentence, this is the school, full stop, Ram studied here. Clear? So here what is there? When we join two sentences together, what is the sentence? This is the school where Ram studied. Here what is there? This where is telling us what? This where is telling us place. Clear? Now what is the place? Place is which one? The school. What is the place? The school. Clear? So this word the school is working as antecedent here. This is working as antecedent, and it is not necessary that every sentence which is having adverb here of relative adverb, that is having antecedent, because we have done, I will explain that also. But see here, this where is telling us the place, and the place is which one? This is what? The school. So this is working, this school is working as an antecedent. Clear? When you will read the second sentence, this is where Ram studied, right? So here which is adverb? Where is adverb? Again it is adverb of place, but that place where he studied, like here it was school, so that school is not mentioned, that class is not mentioned, right? That particular place is not that mentioned here. So this sentence is without antecedent, means because that particular place which we are signifying here, that is not given here. So this sentence is not having any antecedent. Next one, do you know where the meeting will held? Now here in this sentence, do you know where? Where is what? Where is telling us again? Place. But that place is not. This is relative adverb, right? This is also relative adverb. This is also relative adverb. But in some cases, the antecedent is missing or it may be there, right? So here, do you know the where the meeting will be held? So here that place is there, but where exactly the meeting will be there? So that place is not given, means the antecedent is not given here. I still remember the day when my brother came home. So what is adverb here? I still remember the day when my brother came home. So this when is working as an adverb of time, right? But the time is mentioned here, the day. Clear? I still remember the day when my brother came home. Okay, so this you may write down the sentence like this also. I still remember when my brother came home. So in that case, when the day is missing, so antecedent is not there. But here the day is here because which is referring to this time. So this the day is working as an antecedent here. Clear? Next one is, do you know when dad came home last night? Here also when is what? Relative adverb. Clear? So this is once again telling us what? Time, adverb of time. But the time is not mentioned here, like it was mentioned the day, that is antecedent. But here that antecedent is not given, directly the adverb is given to you. So you may face such type of exercises also in your exams. So that was quite important to tell you that what is there. I will discuss, I do not remember where I placed the book. Clear? So where is the place? But that table, that chair, that bag, that room, that is not mentioned here. Directly, I do not remember where I placed the book. So antecedent is missing here. But this word where is working as an relative adverb. Next one is, I know the time when he will come. So here when is what? Time, and the time is also given here. Right, about that particular time it is mentioned. So this is working as an antecedent. Do you know the reason why he comes here? Now why is reason, and the reason is also mentioned, means that particular noun is also given here. So that is what? Antecedent. She does not know how she solved the sum. Right. So what was the trick she mentioned for, she used for that? How is given, but that manner is not given. Clear? So that is here in this sentence the antecedent is missing. So this was all about the relative adverbs, and there may be some of the adverbs which are, some of the sentences which are with antecedents and some are without antecedents. But you have to just take care that the words like when, where, why, what, how, whatever, whenever, etc. are used as relative adverbs, and especially these words are used to join two sentences together. So this was very important, and you have to remember this because the next one is interrogative adverbs also, and there too the words which are used as interrogative adverbs, those also belong WH family. So there may be the confusion, okay, but you have to remind that these relative adverbs are the words which are used to join both sentences together. Clear? And when we will do the next one, interrogative, so there we will use those words to ask the questions. So just take the screenshot of this, note down this in your notebook, and next we will do in the next video interrogative adverbs. Thank you very much for today, and try to solve the exercises given in your book. That's all.